Then you have the different attributes and the data type of the attributes, right? So in SQL data definition language, you also have different constraints, right? We have not null constraint, we have unique constraint. So not null means a particular attribute cannot store a null value. Unique means it should be unique, an attribute value should be unique. And primary key constraint is a combination of not null and unique constraint, right? So foreign key constraint, again, it ensures referential integrity of the table, right? So whenever you are going to refer the primary key of one table in another table, it's known as foreign key, right? So let me skip this, right? So we discussed about how to create a table, create table name. So column name one, data type, constraint name, right? So last class we discussed about different constraints. We have select star from table name to retrieve the records from your relation, right? So whenever you need to display all the records that are present in your relation, we have select star from table name. We also studied about working with the insert, delete, and update statement, right? So we'll be able to insert records into a relation by means of insert statement, right? It's also possible to insert only records into a specific columns using this insert statement, right? So insert into table name, column 1 comma column 2 column 3 values, value 1 value 2 value 3 and so on. So it's possible to insert only values to the specific column names using the second syntax. Whereas in the case of first syntax, insert into table name values, value 1, value 2, value 3, like I will be inserting values for all the attributes in a table, right? So the first example shows that we are going to insert values for all the attributes in a relation. And in the second example, we are going to insert values for only some selected attributes, right? So insert into customers, customer name, city, country, values, Arun, Trichy, India, right? So we are going to insert values for only a selected attributes using this second syntax, right? So we also discussed about update command. So update statement is used to update an existing record in a table, and delete statement is used to delete a record or a tuple in a relation based on some condition, right? So delete star from table name means it will delete all the records from a table. Delete from table name where customer name equal to Arun, right? Then it will delete only the details of the customer name Arun, right? So delete star from table name or delete from table name, it is used to delete all the records in a table, right? So we also have some select statement using where class. So select star from customers where country equal to India, select star from customers where customer ID is equal to 1, right? Right, pattern matching operators, let me skip it. So anyway, in today's class I wanted to teach you working with joins. Then we'll work with this AND operator, OR operator, in operator, and between operator. Right. So let me skip few slides. In today's class, I want to work with joins in SQL. Right. So DDL, I think we do have 2 more commands. Like once you know how to work with create table command, we have alter table command. So alter table command is used to add a column into a relation, right? Alter table name, add column name, data type, right? So it is used to add a new column or attribute in a relation. And similarly, alter table name, drop column name, it's used to drop an attribute from a relation, right? So once a relation is created, later you want to change the schema design and you want to add an attribute in a relation, we go for alter table name, add column name, data type. And whenever I want to remove an attribute in a relation, I go for this command alter table, table name, drop column, column name, right? And finally, the last statement in DDL is going to be drop table statement. So drop table is used to delete the table, and drop database statement is used to delete the schema definition of a database, right? So create table command is used to create a table, define the relation, and enforce the various constraints. Alter table command is used to add a column or drop a column in a relation over a period of time. And drop table command is used to drop the table. It is used to delete a table. And finally, drop database statement is used to delete a complete database, right? So we have only three statements: create table, alter table, and drop table command in DDL, data definition language.